Yoko. Pita na loso. Yoko. Noko. Noko. Jamaicans, let's join hands and heart. Original youth called O, trophy sniper. Just go and stay so. All the way from down in Montego Bay. Work for Thursday. Stay so. Lad. Don't know who that great Peter Black's blood cleat. First me see him for my life, yo. God no. Great Peter Black's man. All I feel it down at one place. That no. Big up on the rat itself. All on the ocean. Big up on itself. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to the whole of you. Tune in like our rubber dub in the land. Today Friday. When them say smile class smile, when they get to the pay and alright, I want this, I want that, I want that, I want this. Don't know. We are dealing over London, them Miss Brown. Hey, you know, say me today a Friday and thing. But me for come on and show me that my business I deal with. I say, yo, me I hold on a little bit. You see, life have a way of humble with more time. If we don't want to humble ourselves, life does humble we. And to put you back in a place where we never want to go. Because anywhere where I come from, we can't go back there. If we don't go back by will, we go back by force. So we have to be careful of what we are doing. The video when I see this morning, I make the rounds with Gully Bop. A lot of people don't surprise because it was destined to happen. Where people seek help, get help, then abuse the help what them get. And let me first say that sickness is for everyone. Death is for everyone. Seeing anybody can sick. The richest man can sick. Nobody no better than sickness. And like when I see the video this morning with Auntie Dana, I feel away. Because it's like we did see it come, you know. We did see it come. And we have said, John Star, what is? Me I look on it and me I say, Gully Bop this, you know. From the gully to the money, you know, back to the gully, you know. But out of the whole video, one thing stand out to me in that video there. One thing. When Dana asked him about him picking them. He says, I want to hear picking them. Want to hear you with them. Gully Bop said him picking them worse than the people them. Seeing? I don't know how much picking him get. Or nothing. But to how Gully Bop does say, the killer feel that they say something there. Man, they must take out life insurance and stop play a fool of themselves. Well, I'll get to the life insurance something there because it's a good thing. It's a very good thing. But before we get to the life insurance, Gully Bop say him picking them worse than the people them. Remember say we watch this man from 2014, you know. In our gully. And him a fix a fan. Everybody know the history. So we don't have to go back down in night and wait. And everybody know the history with that Gully Bop something here. Me and Auntie Dana reach out and a ball out and I say, Shana Chin must come in and come give her assistant. And Amari must come in and give an assistant. Well, I was reminded about a video that when Amari did, I said, Gully Bop, I need you, Bop. Come to me, Bop. I need you. And Amari a ball and nose not to come down her nose and Bugwa run out and one bag of lily water and everything. And Gully Bop come on the internet and say, what me I do with Amari? You know, say a mad woman that. And him talk a bag of things. And for hear Auntie Dana say, them for link up Amari. Remember we put out on the internet, I go stay up on the internet, you know. Nah, go come off, you know. Because I know all the internet so good and quick to find back things. So we have to be careful of how we treat people, because we might need the same people them what we treat fuck up. We have to be careful of how we deal with people. And as we Freddy said, ungratefulness will always cause disaster. The Bible is a thing where always reveal the truth. The Bible, you know, is a thing where always it comes like it name taught the truth. Remember them tell you again, say a fool and his money shall depart. Remember them tell you the whole of them something there and we come see it. Seeing? Gully Bop claim to fame. 2014, 2015, 2016. Gully Bop never got foreign yet. Gully Bop end up reach a small island. Gully Bop end up got England. Go to about 8 show England. Everything sold out. Gully Bop reach a Europe. Every show sold out. Gully Bop reach a Canada. Canada sold out. Seeing? Gully Bop get a 2-year American work permit. 2 years. We watch the video them when Gully Bop there and cuss off people, crashing on people car and go on. And let's not bash Shana Chin. Shana Chin have bar ways them, but we not go just beat her and talk about that she don't have Gully Bop money. That's not a fucking true. True there. That's not true. Gully Bop is a man where you start give a heap of people and go on with a whole heap of things. See? And him cuss out a whole heap of people. See? Remember, we see the whole of them something go on. Gully Bop treat a lot of people fuck up. Up to in a recent time, like last week, we see a video come out the Gully Bop a cuss off security. See? Gully Bop bust when him a 50-year-old. Because I don't want to feel like Gully Bop is a young man. Gully Bop could have been my father. But this, everybody with up on this social media, yeah, look upon this situation, yeah, and let it be a learning lesson. Gary. Yeah, man, me there. Yeah. Let it be a lesson to everybody who love hype and not love humble and go on like sound better than people. Not because a man a sweep the street and you drive past him and splash him up. That don't mean say you're better than him. Because remember, if him don't sweep the street I go dirty and I go cuss the street dirty, and if them can't see the street. The man who work at the tire shop, not because you're in your white and this man here in him greasy dirty clothes, you don't want him come near you. Seeing? We have to be careful of how we put out things in the universe. We have to be careful. And remember it always, the tell we say again, he that exalted himself shall be abased. Seeing? We have to know what we are doing. We have to be careful. Nobody no more than nobody. This is a learning lesson to post for every man and every woman, because this video is a video where a viral it go. It can't go nothing more than viral. It can't go nothing more than viral. Everybody who has social media, I go see this. Seeing? Nobody no more than nobody. You might have wear some clothes where more brand than a man they wear him down at town clothes. Seeing? You might can wear a Alexander McQueen and the brother they can wear a Alex Quebec. See? We have to remember how to deal with people. We have to make life, take life as it come, but don't rush life. All the way, man and woman, the whole way we attack. This is a life lesson. Remember this, anything we can count, it can finish. And once you have nothing come in and things are go out, anything where you have a go out, I got done. It's just like how you have the whole of your love I give everybody, and you not receive back the love. You not receive back the love, and you just give away and give away and give away. You have to just always remember, so you have to save some back for yourself. Save some back for yourself. Anybody who can help Gully Bop, when me hear, one, me don't wish for Gully Bop there right now, but me can tell you this. Me I go try find out, me I go look back and call back the number there for the pastor man there. And them say more food. And we not talk what we do for people or talk what we can do, because food are the least. Everybody can afford. Everybody can afford like food. I don't have money and I'm rich. I'm not rich. But I know I can afford to give Gully Bop some food. I know I can afford to give him some food. See? All people words always come to pass. We have to be careful. And you see the internet is a place where we build and it to break you. The same internet where boss Gully Bop, at the same internet me I watch a beat him, kill him, because of how him never humble. And remember say him still not humble, because to how him a cuss him pitney them and I say them wicked. To how him a cuss him pitney them. To how him a cuss him pitney them. See? Well, trophy. Them say him not have no phone. Him don't even have a phone. And him, I think him, they must take out him kidney. Him not a kidney. So the pastor man number Auntie Dana put up. Everybody has said they want help. And Auntie Dana say, she not take no money for Gully Bop. Make pastor do it. So me I go look back for the number. Once you watch the video, you go hear them Auntie Dana advertise the man number. See? But me just I say, people, we have to be careful. And if you give somebody something, give them it from a good place. Nobody give them to talk back about it. Nobody give them because you just don't feed them. Because yes, people ungrateful. Yeah, killer. See? Remember saying, you know, we not do this for the internet, you know. Because we know and we can see say Gully Bop sick. And we can see say a last parados in the pan. Gully Bop has struggle. Right now. But me just show no life still life fuck up. See? And here are next thing. Gully Bop go on. We don't know where him live. We don't know where Gully Bop live. We don't know. But we are going to link pastor and pastor go give us something. And tell you what go on. Now this next thing you know. We have to be careful how we come on for internet. Come vent too. See? A lot of us are looking at attention. That's why we come on this. We come look at attention for people pay will look at mind. Because this is an open place where people are going to bash with, people are going to like with, people are going to beat with, people are going to do everything to it. Social media. See? Me see a youth come on. And the man say, nobody no love him. The man say, nobody no love him, you know. The man say, you him try with people. The man say, him lose him youth, them. The man say, girl dealing him wicked. Family did him wicked. Everybody did him wicked. The man say, I'm tired of life. I go kill myself. The man show we want something we say, when him drink it, him I go vomit and him I go shit until him dead. See, man say, it's going to be a painful death. See? And if you look on the man page where the man do that TikTok something there, the people in the comment have beat him, kill him. A few people have said, no do it, whoa, God love you, whoa, and I ball with him and I help him. But if him look on them comment there, all the people him beat him would have dead. See? Him would have dead. Him drink the thing. Him drink the poison. See? Him drink the poison. But somebody rushed to him aid and him still there hospital. See? Him still there hospital. But me just go for show and say, no matter how life rough or no matter how people treat you like pussy, don't kill yourself, you're an idiot. No kill yourself. And if you don't want to go kill yourself, you don't come out come tell nobody about you not go kill yourself. See? I don't advise nobody to kill themselves, but the internet is not a place for you to come and come say certain things, because trust me, there's some wicked people there on the internet. You have good people there on the internet, you know, and you have some dangerous people there on the internet. Carry love it. Seeing the way them beat the man, no, say, I want to see if I can see that video there, you know. Because I want to show you that video there. For me to know, say, and a joke thing. Seeing, I want to hear what I talk about. Because, to the way how life I go right now. Because I see through the internet is a place where so much bigger depend. So much bigger upon the internet. It come like it's hard for you even see who genuine from who genuine out. All heap of people upon the internet I go through some whole heap of crosses. I see all the girl when named Kizzy Dan. I see that girl there. I go through some things like she a go through it. It's like she seek validation so much from the same internet. Some of them beat her, kill her, some of them I don't know, but when she crash Mackerel car the other day and you're looking at the little girl face, so you can see that she go through it. See, you can see that she go through it. Enough people are suffering in silence and not even know. See, enough people, even though they might look like say, yeah man, them happy and them alright and thing and rare blah blah blah. The internet is a place where it show you, but it show you not look. You not look. You see where one car crash can show you if people value life more than car. One car crash and the girl come out and she say, at least none of us died, you know. Mackerel, none of us died. None of us died. And Mackerel ball. Whoa, me care, me work hard. Whoa, I'm ball. So it show you how much people value vanity more than humanity. And them never listen when Jonah Vibe say he that seeks us only vanity and no love for humanity. But no love nobody again. I things people blood clot love. I things people love. People love you when you're popular. And that's why you see enough of the some big old blood clot girl. They on social media seek validation. Some old girl and some old man are worried about what the internet say. Them forgot say them used to live before the internet. Them forgot say them used to survive before the internet. Everybody goes a bam. And I worry about the internet. Enough time you have to take off yourself off of the internet, man. And go find back yourself. Find one river go. And when you find one river go, or you find one place where you find your comfort. That when I see it how much time. And I lie. And when I say all, I mean 35, 40, and them age I talk about. Where I follow up the little young girl them. You dey on internet and follow up some little young girl where I come talk about Bodo them and rat bat. You can blood clot be 45-year-old and make man a call you rat bat. Eh? You know see a blood clot idiot, you dirty blood clot. Eh? You have to load that to fit them age. Load that to fit them age. You talk about you have some old blood clot girl one at a time. You hear them now? One at a time. Me and the both of them. Me and the both of them one at a time. Rat bat. And me I say, I train them old galley and them old money I run down. Them old galley and them old money. And them training of them people are really a rundown. Sometimes the little thing them sound nice, but for you I speak it into existence. And I thought be a fucker as a old girl and a old boy. Eh? But where the Buddha them there? Like all me I said that it sound all weird to me. It sound weird, like it sounds so fucking weird to me. Pay a follower left. Remember say one time the nation used to follow the elders them to lead them. Now the nation, the elder them a follow some young girl. Some young girl and some young boy. Where them never know themselves, what them want to do. Where them want to reach, where them want to go. Because them are 17, them are 18, them are 19. Them are them age there. Right? Enough of them. Them youth all talk to them, but don't know in a moment, I go look for the Buddha them, you know. Which Buddha them? Where mean which Buddha them? What is Buddha them? But me understand. I guess people not into speaking properly anymore and I just train a go on. If I that a go on, can you imagine a whole 50-year-old I come talk about, yo, when I time them in my father. Y'all listen to a 50-year-old I say one of the time them in my father. Oh, that sound, that doesn't sound weird. One of the time them in my father. Don't know me and the Buddha them, you know. Which Buddha them? Send foot bumbo cloth. Some breed of something when me I hear. It's like me feel all. Cause we know we are big man and big woman. You have to remember say we age come off of the calendar already. So when I run down and I talk about when I still 16. 16 my blood clot. You remember how 16 look how 16 go on. Eh? But oh me a young girl. Which part? You're not young again, yeah? Your mind I tell you one thing but your body I say a different thing. Zogi asked me what is a Bodo. Them say I saw that the girl them name, you know. Bodo, you know. Bodo and Ratbat. Bodo and Ratbat. That's the new name for the girl them now. Bodo. Bodo them. What the Bodo them there? To blood clot. But we just have to just open up with face and open up with eye and open up with brain and just look. I understand where I come from. Zane, we have to just find back with self. Enough we lost with self. Because remember this, you know, a different thing are going over America and England, you know, some different talk are going on, the same talk them are going on, some different talk, them create them own attack. Zane? So that's why I come on here and I show and say we have to humble, because if we not humble life, I go humble with. Rat bat is for the woman them too. Y'all them a rat bat, just like one time I used to say bitch and whore. And we say, oh my God, that's so defaming, Lord. The raggedy, Lord. Oh, bitch and whore sound good you know too. Rat bat. Dog shit. Cause remember, you know, you couldn't call nobody whore one time, you know. And when Cardi B come out and said, there's some hoes in this house, there's some hoes in this house, and every girl turn whore. Every girl turn whore. Every girl turn whore right now. There's some whores in this house. All of a sudden, every girl want to put the rascal cocky down in them throat and if it touch the thing. When she say, when time Cardi B said she want to put the hood in her throat and make it touch the thing down in the back of it. Remember when Cardi B said that every girl says, Star, I want it to whoa and ball. Whoa and scream out. Because Cardi B said, certified freak. Every girl a certified freak now. All some old girl. I said them a certified freak. Some old girl. And me I said, John was star, you saw it gone. And don't blame no man for this. Watch the boy, black boy. Don't blame no man for this. This are not the woman them do this all by themselves. The woman them do this all by themselves. And them come create this. Them. Because one thing when I know is say accountability, people are like wallet. Them blame cartel for freakiness. Them blame cartel for freakiness. Them blame him. You can't blame cartel for that one. Yeah. The woman them do it all by themselves. All by themselves them do it. Remember, you know, nah, nakuno, me just a say, uno know what na do. No what na do. See? No what na do. There's no what na do because when you see the little data start act certain way, then you not come make it look like say people are teaching the data things. And you not remember say in a phone yard the little girl learn the whole of the something then. See? Correct, what go on. But just a show no say, boy is a place where we see so much. Like, we didn't know so we live to come hear something come out of woman's mouth. Right now, moms, them a call the big woman them, you know. Moms, you know. Come in, moms. When we go to Bama look and see Princess Diana and when name Booby. When woman name a Shannon Mandong Mountain View. Princess Diana and Booby. I saw them name. And just say Booby gear this and Booby gear that and be people are 8 from the people. The man are 32 and she are 40. So I'm 8 years older than her. Zane, I remember them come out and say them love them one another. And them just a kiss up and a go on. And them highlight it. And them a say, yeah, Princess Diana and Booby. No dirty, bad mind, blood clot. Lord the people them. Make the people them love them one another and go on with themselves. Big up that woman there. Big up yourself, Princess Diana. You should name Princess Diana and Booby. Una no man na have no name. Uno and no man na have no name. Uno bad mind. Uno cuss the woman and talk about how the man look something. And how the man this and that and that and that. Move. Uno bad mind Booby and Princess Diana. Go get nickname for una on man. And Lord the loving couple. Lord the people them. Uno bad mind itself. Princess Diana, big up yourself alongside Booby. I love where I deal with. Love where I deal with Princess Diana. And when she say Booby bring this come gear and Booby just give her him pay and she buy Booby this and you know. And them just a kiss of everything. Them just a kiss and go away. So oh my God, watch love. Brown Sugar, you don't know the new couple eh? Brown Sugar, you don't know the new couple. And them are on the place here now. Booby and Princess Diana. Booby, not Bunny. I remember, nobody know want Booby, you know. But soon as Princess Diana start promote him, remember, you go hear how much girl look him and how much girl him in a inbox. Better we soon start see it on the internet how he give the woman problem. And he give the woman bun. Better we soon hear it. None of them want him. None of them want him, you know. But watch. When you see the woman glow up on her face and how she happy when she talk, and him just a kiss her go away so and go on. All of a sudden you go hear who for inbox him in a and who him a look and who never want and who never want. Move on a blood clot and go find on a Booby. Go and go find on a one a Booby and leave Princess Diana man. Leave Princess Diana man alone. I just that me I say to you know. Yeah, them a look help for Gully Bop. Gully Bop sick. Hungry, everything do Gully Bop right now. Sick, hungry, everything about that. Remember say, me is a selector, Zane. And I go road. And most of the time when I go road, I enjoy myself. I forgot some different place to enjoy myself. Because, first of all, none of the selector them now play for the party. Them a play through them know say one man have money over there. So you can't be surprised when you hear some people that cause selector and I say them a batty man. You can't feel no way because enough time it look that way there when you're there in a party for show. It look that way there enough time. We go out the road, the selector them start say some different thing on the mic. Yo, if you're there in front of your friend right now, and your friend there apart, bend over your friend and wine pan her. And them thing the selector say on the mic. One time gonna used to hear every man to a girl, couple up. Go dagger behind a girl. Hear the selector on the mic. Yo, ladies, if you have your girlfriend there tonight, bend her over and cock her up and wine pan her and stab her. Me I say blood clot. Them some know say the thing change and me get all. I mean not gonna lie, cause I chew me head for myself. Ladies, bend over your friend and cock up your friend. Me not hear no man that say, yo, hey, girl over there, so see that man over there, so go cock up on him, cause remember that me used to. Give him a wine, baby. Yeah, here, give her a wine, baby. Give her a wine. John knows that. Things their way. Why when time the man them go out, them don't want wine pan the girl them? I mean, if I want some of the regular party people them come out and come answer this. Why the woman them stop wine pan the man them? And don't tell me about the selector now playing a girl song. Because I'm dead and see the selector play a girl song and the man them over there so. I don't know wine pan a man. I don't know about a wine pan a man. So I don't know what go on. Something right. Something right. Girl song a play. You can't tell me say I be a chopper song a play. Me day in a party and see it for myself. And a girl a been over girl. Right, Judith? The girl them no want wine pan man again. All them a do, I blow hookah in them friend mouth. I blow hookah in them friend mouth. I feel up them friend breast and I feel up them friend front. And as a man I try go behind them a scan the man. When I depend that to do in a girl, move on the blood clot and go in. On the cock up and wine pan the man them and give the man them two joke and two stab off on the front, you know. Give the man them two stiff man. When everybody in a dance, I saw them a stay. Watch out, move, keep up. And everybody a blood clot drift. Everybody a drift from the rascal at the hunger time formation at the party when everybody a drift. Black boy lie me a tell man. You selector in a no son lie me a tell man. You play 100 blood clot girl song. You play every Shensia, every Spice, every Chanel Muir, every one of the song them you play for the girl them. And when you look, a girl a been over girl. As soon as a man a try go dagger upon a blood clip, girl, the girl man, and a scan the man them. Our friend she want wine upon her pussy. Move your blood clot girl. And when you don't know, cuss the selector them, say the selector them now playing a girl song. When you cuss the selector them, you know. Here a girl in a one party at but the selector play too much girl song. The selector play too much girl song and she a girl, you know. Because she want booty them. She want booty them and rat bat one at a time. You dirty blood clot, Joma Roach rat bat you. One blood. Yo, me not tell a lie, me not knock nobody else still. But couple things mash up the dance. Once them start bring hookah come in a dance, in the party itself, it mash up the thing. Hookah mash up the dance. Say glad candy say the man them not no money. Hookah mash up dance. Too much be a cuteness a go on in a dance. A man stand up and a smoke. Have hookah smoke. Man now build spliff again. Man now build spliff again. And light up him spliff and burn him big get spliff. Big ganja spliff. And blow that chalice. Blow that. A hookah your blood clot scene a dance. Hookah. Every table have a hookah. So you going to enjoy yourself if you just enjoy the hookah so. Eh? She no start. Thing change, brother. So, and I remember it now come back for now. So we have to just try live out that area. We have to just go and work with it. We have to just go and work with what we want, because we cannot change it. But it fuck up. I just can't tell the whole I want to say it fuck up. So in a sense, we come on internet and cuss the selector. We're not going to blame the selector. We're not going to cuss the selector. Me day in a party and me see the selector go hard with the girl sang them. You know, see, no more team this and no more team that not in a dance again. Eh? You used to have team Spice and team this and team that, and everybody out there roll out the sheet and go on and go on and go on. You know, see no girl now, you know, say a be a dolly. As soon as them start call themselves dolly, the thing mash up. Cause no dolly no dance. No dolly no wine and broke out. No dolly no do that. A be a cuteness and go on in a dance. Everybody have fun them blood clot self. Nobody no want them face sweat again because them say them makeup there. And on one night alone the makeup good fine for a couple hours. Cause when them go home, them have to wash it off. Right? So them no go out to enjoy themselves, them just go out to make V fashion them and all of these people. Take them rascal picture and 2 grand, shine the video upon them 2 times. I be a cuteness and niceness to go on in a blood clot dance. No bubble like suit now go on, no daggery now go on. Cause remember one time them said daggery never postpone. And now we no miss Marvin. Cause no cuss Marvin and so him angle the woman them. Eh? One thing, today are the day when I have a little time for now. What I want to name, Chapel away I want to name. I don't understand why somehow never entertain no other argument yet, but you don't want to talk about Spice. The man them talk about Spice in a bad way more than the woman them. I never see so much woman I give it to Spice. Be a woman love half Spice and I go on. But there's always a man who come on. There's always a man. But me have a little time to this still. No found a man. Only love to seek man attention too much. But post my video yesterday with me and Spice and a brother out of about 300 comment. And him alone have something bad to say. Only love attention from man too much. And when man give only back them attention, only feel disrespected. I don't like feel disrespected when time I get me attention. I don't love it. I never give the girl them a little space. And that's why the girl them they dance and wine pan them one another too. Yeah man, me just eat Spice a while ago. What your name? Chopper. Me I give you a little attention and now Chopper. Me just eat Spice a while ago. You make sure say you don't suck your father or your friend them. Make me go and eat Spice and you go and suck your father and your friend them. You dirty Batman blood clot. You worry about if me eat Spice. Me just eat Spice a while ago. Just a while ago. And when me come off alive, me gonna eat her one more time. You dirty blood clot. You worry about when me I eat from when me not eat. Boy, your name Chopper. You hungry no blood clot. You could have Chopper and remember me. And I talk about me. Eh? Me just eat Spice a while ago. I no good at. I just a while ago me just eat Spice. It tastes nice. What again you want to come with? You dirty mansion and blood clot. You worry about who me I eat. Make sure you not eat nothing. Make sure. Cause you come on and I talk about me good at. Me no good at. Me just do it. Just a while ago. Boy, your name Chopper. You take all man name. My name Richie Feelings. Me have my name. Richie Feelings, my name. And your name Chopper. We know about El Chopper where a man will run the whole high place. While you have time for the pine. El Chopper not have time for the pine internet. You don't know El Chopper. You're not even Z Chopper. You're not even nothing in the alphabet of pussy clot. You're dirty Batman blood clot. I worry about next man. Your business who me want to eat from who me want yam. How that bother you? The dirty blood clot. Here they know. A man me feel. And you me want feel. You Chopper. I want me there in a things. Yo, cause since you want to get out spice. Come video call me. You dirty Batman blood clot, yo. Boy, your name Chopper. You can't argue with me. You come on pan my life and want disrespect me. My life you come on pan. Well, your birthday today, you know. Happy birthday. Come here have a little time for you. And you me want to feel up. You Chopper. You me want to feel up. You dirty blood clot. You never know so the answer you either gonna get. You pussy clot, yo. Come again, comment something again. And you me want to feel up. You me want to feel up, Chopper. You. Anything where you say, me and you do it. You dirty blood clot, yo. You never know today the day. Your birthday today, man. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Batman Chopper. May you live and married. The ring me I go give you now, pussy, and make the whole world see. A ring size more now. You dirty blood clot, yo. Come make me buy you a ring, pussy hole. The ring more and buy you and put it on for your middle finger, pussy hole. Boy, your name Chopper. You know who you are, Rampy. You can't tell me nothing for hurt me, pussy. Comment again. Make me and your rascal a tango. And your birthday to the Batman. So me I tell you people, all the while when them trouble me and me answer and I say why me make them draw me out. Him not draw me out after me and shoes lace. Him not draw me out. Me just agree with what he say. And I tell him say me and him. Yeah. Anyway, people. Come in again. Him birthday done. Him birthday done, you know. Hear that. What did I hear? Tell about today, you know. How you feeling? And that them get. How you feeling? Oh, what a feeling. What a wonderful feeling. People, when you go to a party, go for enjoy yourself. Don't go for just take picture. Then, you have to go for enjoy yourself. Boy, them say the artist Tiger missing. The artist Tiger was sing A Patsy and You Girl Gwen. Them say missing and we don't know. Jazzy Sky Level. We don't know how I go on, but no, them so fine him still. People, them say he was found. He was found. But at this moment, I talk to you first and tell you before me come off your car. I don't want me anybody wire. Zane, watch this now. A girl tell me say her little 5-year-old son. 3 of him book them in a Jamaica here for 3 books. A 10,000 odd for 3 books. See, I see it on the media say school supplies has gone up. Everything in a school raise. Book raise, pencil raise, sharpener raise, calculator raise. Everything raise. Now, why me I touch on that topic here? If you not have a good man in your life who willing to take care of himself and help you raise the child where you and him make together, just consider yourself as a single mother. Because our life still now, Nobody not sorry for nobody again. Nobody ever want to hate nobody again. Or when you claim say you and them in a relationship. Enough people in a relationship and I watch the other person a struggle while them a build for themselves. So now if you know what I do in times like this, everything raise. If you don't have no kids yet, make sure you plan out your thing. Remember, say by the time you forget your youth, by the time for the next 3 years, if one reading book after 3-5, buy your youth to start go to school at 6. You know, so that book they're going to be about 7 grand or 10 grand. See? That book they're going to run another part there. So, you have to plan out on a thing. Plan out on a thing. Because life is more expensive now more than ever. Take care of your health. Stop try breed for old man. And when the boy stop try breed the people them daughter for say I'm a baby mother. For just say I a baby mother. If you don't plan for in this little woman in your life 100%, stop try tabar for breed her. Make better you go buy the condom or you go buy the contraceptive. Better you go do it. Because remember, if you don't bust a juice in her, she can't breed by you. Things and time get harder and harder and harder and harder. Now is not the time for you to have 5 baby mother. Now is not the time. Now is not the time. People who have to build on themselves. Everybody who have youth already, save a money for your youth. Put on something for your youth. Because they are going to need it. Who don't have no youth yet? And I make no sense your plan. Just go and save and just know say if it happen. It happen. But it's going to be a long journey. Textbook is very expensive. Remember up a UA, raise. UTech, raise. Out of Maritime, raise. Everywhere, raise. May I make sure tell you no. Remember you know sometimes you hear some people say, oh, I have to breed for the boy. And you hear some man say, oh, I breed more and breed a girl there, you know. And when you look upon him just want to fuck up the girl shape. Peel good enough. Peel great. September morning you go see Peel run out upon them. She great man. Don't know Peel is no little Peel anymore. Peel are going our pre-teen stage now. So if me can go to Bama and take care of Peel from she at 3. And now Peel are going to be 12. And me can tell you say nothing for Peel in a drop. Everything gone up. Everything gone up. Zine, everything gone up. Remember when Missy and Puffy just born in a Chevron? When Missy and Puffy just born at $20 for Alaska, you know. $20 was for Alaska. Now, at $200 for Alaska right now. $200 for Alaska right now. Right now. Zine? So, a $520 for your brother someplace. Someplace it's dearer than that. But me need to pause and tell you this because Killer Filler they just said some more remind you know. People take out insurance for yourself. Insurance is a good thing. Your child is not an insurance. Your child is not an insurance. You are supposed to ensure that the child is alright. And your child is not a meal ticket either. Take out life insurance. Have it like a partner. Just know sir, every month you go pay it or every 3 months you go pay it. Take it out to all you can just know say if you forget sick a man in the money they can't use, nobody now have to come out and come and ask for help for you. Everyone on this, any sacrifice we are going to make now, make it for yourself. Make it so your youth them, we alright. And all that we have house, seen, but all that we have life. So take out life insurance. You have $2 million one. You have $10 million one. Depends on your age. It just all depends on your age. You have as low as $1,500, $2,000 insurance where you can show. In Jamaica, I'm just saying this. I'm just saying this because we are going up in an age. We might act like we're young too. Not for we not have no cellulite and some of our body still look firm and good and nice, but we have to take life more serious. No matter wait till something happen. Look how much time we see it. How much time we see people come out and them a look help. How much time we see it. Because remember again, sickness is for everybody. Sickness is for everyone. And stop talking about nothing now go on and you can't do it. As long as you can still afford to buy food, you can't do anything. Remember saying no? Nobody now come to save you if you don't save yourself, you know. Nobody coming to save you if you don't save yourself. No one is coming to save you. Nobody. It's cheaper for you live right now. More than when you're dead. Because funeral costs how much money. The cheapest funeral right now is $350,000 in Jamaica. And that $350,000 they come like about 2,500 US right now. How much people have 2,500 US dollar right now? How much people have that? How much people are the cheapest funeral that? And remember when people that they want to bury your family good. When them tell you to save money for a rainy day. For even $50 you can start with. For even $20. Just have it a throw down somewhere. And nobody look on it, just throw it down. You hear me say? Remember this is a talk where the whole we have to take and listen. Don't bother wait till nothing happen. Remember now all we friendly on the internet. Let me hear you know that. Remember say the 350 and I don't know what heap of things in it. You will get 5 or 10 or 20 button and you will get some bookmarker. It's a small package you get. That's why I said that is the cheapest. Because the whole alone costs you $100,000 over Medares. And a $100,000 again for the casket. And it all depends on the box that you want. If you want your family paint picture upon the box, and more money that. If you want the one which you have to write through it, and more money that. So it just all depends upon the installments them where you want. And everyone will have family plot. And all we have family plot. Let me not tell a man that is a must. But we have to take care of ourselves, people. Take care of ourselves. More time when you say you want to go buy the shoes and buy the shirt, they make sure say, once you have anything secure, you can't do anything. Because remember again, I just want to tell you, say, don't bother wait till you go dead. Then you go say, yo, if me did know and if me did know. Remember say, what day I go to Duns River, when I go to Duns River, some old people I say I walk with stick. Because them bring them down to Duns River for water beat on them body. But I don't know how they manage to go down so much flight of stairs. Anybody ever go to Duns River yet, you know say a whole heap of flight of stairs they have to go down. I imagine these old elderly people go down them how much step they just feel like water touch on them body. You know how much ackling that them have to go through. Don't wait till you go dead for one live. You have to just live till you're dead. And live righteous. Every day when you get up, when I talk about nothing now go on, nothing now go on, nothing now go on. Nothing now go on, nothing now go on, nothing now go on. So when you not going to make something go on, nobody is coming to save us. Nobody is coming to save us. You have to save yourself. You remember when Buju said, who can afford to run will run. But what about those who can't? They will have to stay. You don't sit down every day and I worry about Wagwan from Wagwan. You don't worry about everybody else's life. I don't worry about phone life. You have to just make sure the phone life alright first, you know. Because phone life not alright, you want to think I go on. You want to think I go on. And for some of the dirty, ungrateful family who live in Jamaica, yeah. We have one family where send barrel come. You feel like say, a thief the people, them thief for full the barrel of food. We know people send barrel come to Jamaica with this and that and that and this in there. You know, long someone want to buy 3 mackerel and 3 sardine. And you get dozen in a blood clot barrel and you still ungrateful and talk about the family and do nothing for no. Ungrateful, dirty family where they are Jamaica. When you care what the family do, you still not appreciate the family. And when the family goes to and stop take on the phone call and walk and tell every blood clot body say, oh, the one Ryan do nothing for me. And the one Paula wicked, you know long me not hear from Paula. And every blood clot week Paula used to send this and that and this come here. And you see him when you start walking and say, oh, me not for work. My sister Paula, they are foreign. Whoa. I be a brand me pitney wear. Cause Paula mind you, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, all your man. Paula send things come get. Fire Kids Teen say, COVID time I couldn't walk and get back nice. Me not complain about nothing. They don't have to be grateful every day, Fire Kid. A great youth, Fire Kids Teen. The same family them. The same family them. Come see it up no much time. You go out in a snow. Them never ask you all the time stay yet. If you're alright yet. Them see you in a glove. Them see you look like Eskimo. Hear them now? Boy, cuz. You look cold though, cuz. You still have to send me something? Cuz at what time you send me something? Remember cuz all I walk go way down at one place. All taxi cuz I take Western Union. Forget Western Union and MoneyGram. Cuz I'll get black. The way cuz send all money come go no can't even collect money on the own name. Other people shall have send it in and just through cuz love our family. Them all me like cuz. My son come suck out my Bible. If I me like cuz, you come suck out my Bible. And lick you can go talk regardless. My son come go no. And you still say you no get. And when my son come, you still say you should get more. No dirty blood clot. September come, you send pitney size. Every year you go to blood clot family a pitney. Every year you go to family a new pitney. Every year you go to family a new pitney. Like I just breed alone and I know if you breed. And me have a news for you. On a friend afraid to tell you about. On a friend say if you tell you say she don't want to be no more godmother. She's tired. On a friend said to tell you she's tired. She don't want to be no more godmother. You're picking them alone. A 5 alone, you alone, gear. 5 alone. 5 alone. She have to wonder why. You don't give nobody else no chance. Every time she see you, your face swell up and look so. Your nose big out so. Man does a fuck you and a breed you go away so. Right, Lexi? You just a fuck and a breed and a go away so because you have cousin foreign and you have sister foreign. And I tell everybody say I be a brand new wear. Cause I buy nice ear because she say you're not going to school. Hey, tell you something. Don't make because you know somebody long time. You and them used to eat cheap chips and bag juice. You hold back yourself through them no want to uplift themselves. Make them move. You hear me say? Not far we have this mentality about how far we are come from. We are come from far. You know your journey and you are watch out for them journey. Lazy. You watch out them just sit down and me can't bother. You and them need go look work. Two want to get the work and you still there the place of work and them left the blood clot work. But them still a beg you a money out of your pay. You understand? Why the youth are still a come on from my page, man? Youth. Go on and allow me now, man. Go on and allow me now, youth, man. Yeah, what, man? What me do that youth, yeah, man? Sadiki, where you say? Talk. Jano Star. Me have a YouTube channel a forward, man. Cool, man. You soon see it. Yeah, people. Now me say, my friend say her sister no stop tell her, oh, she no wants chest her out. Chest her out. Chest out her baby father. She no wants chest out her baby father, so she a beg her for some things for the pitney them. She a beg her some things for the pitney them. Shadow Star. Yo, that party. Let me tell you about that party before we go into the rest. Bobby did you say, to give you a message. All of the man them. Stop walk and tell next man say your birthday. Please. The man them say them tired to hear about man birthday now. As you see a man you say today your birthday like you expect the man to come hug you up and marry you. The man them say me must tell you say stop tell man say on a birthday. Leave the girl them to that part. The yeah man your birthday. Today I'm strong in yeah man big up. Stop tell people say your birthday and I expect people to just come out and mine you and bling you out. People them say them tired of it. Yo, today I'm strong, you know. Today I'm a birthday, you know. And you walk and tell everybody that today a birthday. Wanna stop it, man. That's not cute. That's not manly. Tell a girl say your birthday, man. Man, them tired be. Fire get easy, they gonna suck on the birthday. Shadow Star. All the women them say them tired. The woman them say them tired and man I tell them say them birthday. Shadow Star. From here the woman them start balling now. It's rough. Now, all the while me I tell people them something here. All the while. Any country at all you go, once you leave, a matter of fact, once you leave out of your comfort zone and you know set any preparation for survive, you're gonna have problems. So for instance, you live at Kingston. If you're moving to Montego Bay or Westmoreland or Manchester, once you're going into any other parish, and your yard, you're out of your safe haven, you're out of your comfort zone. It's not going to be all bed of roses. You're gonna have rough time. You might have more rough time more than smooth time. And it's have to rough first before it gets smooth. See? Dub for dub. So, when me a try say, if you get an opportunity to get a visa for the United States of America or any other country, Canada, anywhere, etc., just go see what the place is like. See how you can get a work. See how you can go start over for betterment of yourself. But you have to can pay out your way during this course of this time. You have to can pay out your way. You have to can pay out your way. Because a lot of times, you make people tell you, say, yeah man, don't go back down. Don't go back down, stay up here. And then the same people, them will tell you, say, don't go back down, stay up here. And them not have nowhere to put you. Because them themselves now live good, then they make you come to look good. Remember America coming like a big tenement yard, enough place. I remember say you have some people living in America, some place where them not even like who them live with more time. Much less you as a stranger or a family member when I live with them. See me I live with me is two different things. Me see a girl put out and she say, "You no run off." No make nobody tell you say run off. Me see him friend tell me say me no fi run off and I know she put me out. Me just get a little work and she want me to pay bills and this and that all kind of something. Again, anybody who knows that when you're living in somebody else's place, no care how small it is, you have to contribute. You have to contribute. You have to show, just like when you go to the church, you have to show a little contribution, a little tithes and offering to the church building fund. You have to throw a little something into Keisha own building fund. Because Keisha did a struggle to pay her 2-5 or 15 bills for her little place or 3 grand, whatever she paying. You coming into Keisha place is an additional plate. Or when you claim say you buy food or road, you're in Keisha's space. You're in Keisha's space. Don't tell me that you're coming to bill yourself out of Keisha without being considerate to Keisha. If I even $50 put it down a week time. If I even $50 are the thought that counts. Or when you have visit, if you go sit 3 juice in the fridge, tell them say you want to go to the store and buy 3 more. You hear me say? Buy 3 more. If you go see them have them, what the water they name? The water them with them drinking water. And you see 2 cases there, buy a case. Because you go want drink and you go want all of the something them. So you contribute. Everybody like when you do a little contribution. Because the people place you there. Because you're going to use them soap, wash your clothes. You're going to use them light. You're going to use them internet. You're going to use everything. Nobody likes a selfish man or a woman. Regardless of where you want to come from. You hear me say? That's why I make sure said. You rich? May I call him? Hollande, Jamaica. Hollande, Jamaica. We want to go people place and we want to eat and say God good, God good. Look how foreign nice. God good, God good, God good, God good, God good. And everybody say, oh, I say I go through the yard and through the yard nice. I dying for go back. Through the now when you come back there, yeah? She hate you. Yes, security. 157. Afgharia come at 157. Yeah. Remember, you know. You want to say, God good, God good, God good. You want to put all the backlash through juice on your head. And go on. You alone want to eat too much wings and go on with a crocus bag of thing. And you just dead and I eat pizza. And you just dead and I go on and I go on and I go on and I go on. And you just a shop so. Remember you go on and spend 3 months and you get a little, you know, a little work. You get a little work and you just say, you are Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica and Jamaica. Sometimes you get a good look under the table job. You still have to put on something on Keisha table. You have to put on something on Judy table. You have to do it. You have to do it. Don't just think about Jamaica. Just know say you live yourself for a while. So if you go to Sabaman there for 6 months, and every week you are put on $50, just know say you have $50. It not much in us. Truly, but am I a little contribution this? But when you no reach back at Jamaica, you tell everybody how people are walking out and people are showing up be a bad face. First of all, people not just show people bad face. So. And remember, the similar live with me is two different things. Because if me have my yard and me used to use my toilet and the bowl, you know, put down, and you will leave it open every minute, the toilet seat open every minute, me I have problem. If me used to have clothes in a basket and me come see a clothes on the ground, me I have problem. If me used to have wash plate as me eat, and when me done, me have forward, and when me done, yo, God no, me do that boy in a life, man. Yo, God no. Hold on to Jamaica. I'll be back.